Is JupitrrAI worth it in 2026? Honest Creator Review. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look around the content creation space right now. It's officially 2026 and the market is absolutely flooded with AI video editors. Every single week, a new browser app pops up promising to edit your videos with one click, write your scripts, and make you viral. It has gotten impossible to tell which of these tools are genuine workflow savers and which ones are just overhyped wrappers that waste your subscription dollars. So today we are doing a deep, completely honest creator review of JupitrrAI. We are going to look past the marketing fluff and break down what this platform actually excels at, audit its current pricing tiers, and put it head-to-head against the industry giants like Descript, OpusClip, and Submagic. If you want to know if Jupyter deserves a spot in your production pipeline this year, let's look right at the reality of software. Also guys, if you want to try JupitrrAI yourself and see how it fits your specific workflow, you can use my link down below in the description and use the code JohnCarloCores10 to get 10% off your subscription. Okay, and now section 1, the core strength. True text-driven B-roll. To understand if Jupyter is worth it, we have to look at its biggest unfair advantage, the narration to B-roll conversion engine. So let me just navigate there. Guys, if you're not familiar with the interface, you firstly need to upload your video, then go to your videos. From this list, choose the one you want to edit. So I will just go ahead and choose this introduction, example video. When it loads, you just go edit video. And in here, in this interface, you will have your B-rolls in here, as you can see. So most editors require you to slice up clips on a traditional timeline track. Jupyter flips this by letting you edit completely via text. You upload a video track or a raw voice narration file. The system converts your speech into an active transcript script sheet, and you simply highlight words with your mouse cursor to overlay relevant stock footage instantly. So as you can see, we have the B-rolls, we have this text. You can just click on a certain text, and as you can see now, we have a B-roll with this kind of video. So as you can see, the creator of the service himself also uses the same thing. So wherever you click, as you can see, we have the watch. What do we have here? Some examples, right? Some vintage, I guess, photos. So this is how the B-rolls work. And now the question, why is this such a big deal in this year? Well, because it eliminates the manual asset hunt. Instead of bouncing out to external sites to download individual B-roll clips, the platform scrapes its integrated premium iStock library based on the context of your spoken sentences. Combined with Levio, the built-in sidebar creative assistant, you can command the layout to generate stronger hooks or trim filler words natively inside the text block. If your content style is heavy on narration, explainers, or educational value, this single screen saves hours of asset matching. Okay, and now let me go back and let us also briefly talk about the pricing as well. So I would say we can agree, guys, evaluating the price of the service, especially compared to other competitors, is pretty important. So let's talk money. So because Microsoft and Adobe are baking AI tools directly into standard timelines, meaning standalone apps have to price themselves competitively to survive, Jupyter breaks their ecosystem down into 4 distinct tiers. Also, guys, if you want to look up the video about the pricing, we have a full pricing breakdown of the service uploaded to our channel. Go ahead and check that out. So first is the free tier at $0. It lets you test out the writing assistant, teleprompter, and viral search tools up to 30 times. However, it locks your upload size to 50 megabytes, your video duration to 2 minutes, and gives you exactly 0 exports, which is a big downside. It is strictly a test drive dashboard, no more. Then, next is the starter plan, running $22 a month or $18 a month if you pay annually. This plan opens up 10 video uploads and 10 exports per month, extends your video duration capacity to 20 minutes, and switches your stock media generator from basic Pexels clips over to the premium iStock library. You also unlock their automated AutoCut tool to instantly clean up dead air pauses. And once again, time for our little link. If you are looking at these operational limits and realize you need to step up your monthly volume, remember you can skip the base rate by using my link down in the description of the video, along with promo code JohnCarloCores10 to instantly lock in 10% off any premium tier. Enjoy! Okay guys, and up next is section number 3, which is Pro versus Team plans. Unlocking scale. So if you are running a serious multi-platform content schedule, the real entry point is the Pro plan. It runs $49 a month, paid monthly, down from $79, or drops to $39 a month on an annual cycle. So the biggest metric upgrade here is completely unlimited video exports. So you also get 30 video uploads per month, 2 active user seats, and access to advanced video analytics. And most importantly, Pro unlocks the AI persona and branded preset engines. This allows you to train the background model on your specific brand typography, color palettes, and logo markers, so your automated videos look cohesive out of the box. Finally, for agencies, there's a team plan at $149 a month, or $89 on the annual track. This bumps your limit to 50 uploads, 5 user seats, and unlocks real-time editor collaboration alongside a global brand kit manager and multi-account social media publishing. Alright guys, next, fourth section is head-to-head competitor comparison. So let us just put Jupiter head-to-head with its biggest market rivals in this year so you can see where your cash should actually go. First, let's look at Descript, which scales around $16 to $24 a month. Descript is the undisputed heavyweight champion for deep, multi-track audio correction, podcast engineering, and complex timeline voice cloning. However, Descript does not have a native, automated premium B-roll overlay scraper like Jupiter does. If your biggest bottleneck is sourcing visuals rather than tweaking multi-track audio levels, Jupiter wins on speed. Then next up is Opus Clip, which uses a credits-based pricing setup starting around $14 a month. Opus Clip's sole purpose in life is to take a long-form 1-hour podcast, auto-detect the highest scoring viral hooks, and slice it into 10 vertical shorts. It is a repurposing engine. Jupiter is a creation engine. If you are starting with a pre-planned script or a focused voiceover track that needs to be built into a complete high-quality video project from scratch, Opus Clip's rigid templates can't help you. You need Jupiter's full canvas layout control. And now finally we have Submagic running around $50 a month. So Submagic is world famous for hyper-stylized caption animations, trending sound effects, and floating emojis designed to maximize retention on single shorts. While Jupiter handles standard caption tracks perfectly, it focuses on the entire production ecosystem, from writing scripts and tracking pipeline cards to embedding stock clips. So if you want a comprehensive pre-to-post production hub, Jupiter provides way more structural utility per dollar than a dedicated caption tool. Alright guys, and now we are finally ready to make a verdict. Is JupitrrAI actually worth it in 2026? So the final verdict is a definitive yes, but only if your workflow matches its design architecture. So if you are a solo creator, business owner, or faceless channel producer whose main bottleneck is spending hours hunting down B-roll clips to match your voiceovers, the Pro plan pays for itself in your first week by compressing your editing time down to minutes. That is it for this one, guys. Make sure to head down to the description of the video, click that exclusive link, and enter coupon code JohnCarloCores10 to claim your 10% subscription discount today. Drop a comment below letting me know which competitor app you are currently paying for, subscribe for more workflow builds, and I'll see you in the next one.